Are you looking for the best smart home security systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best smart home security systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. SimpliSafe 9-piece home security system. The SimpliSafe security system is designed for easy setup and serious home protection right out of the box. Simply plug in the base station and camera, place your sensors, and start securing your home with no wiring or drilling required. The SimpliSafe app allows you to control your system remotely, arming, disarming, and monitoring anytime from your phone. The system includes the SimpliCam wired indoor security camera, which offers live video feeds and a built-in stainless steel shutter for privacy control. Entry sensors guard windows, doors, and cabinets, alerting you instantly when access is attempted, with customizable secret alerts to quietly notify you without sounding alarms. Motion sensors cover entire rooms with a 35-foot range and 90-degree field of view, while being pet-friendly for animals under 60 pounds. With professional monitoring available starting at less than $1 per day and a free first month included, agents can verify break-ins with video evidence for faster police response, providing peace of mind with no long-term contracts or hidden fees. This system is compatible with laptops, desktops, tablets, and smartphones, making it a comprehensive and user-friendly home security solution. Number 2. RioLink Home Security Camera. The RioLink E1 2K indoor Wi-Fi camera is perfect for indoor security, pet monitoring, and baby monitoring, offering sharp Super HD video at 2304 by 1296 resolution, 3 megapixels. Equipped with 8 infrared LEDs, it provides clear night vision up to 40 feet. Setup is quick and easy, just plug it in and connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to get started in minutes. With a 355 degrees horizontal pan and 50 degrees vertical tilt, you can easily control the camera's view from the RioLink app or client to monitor every corner of your home. The camera features intelligent person and pet detection, sending real-time motion alerts based on shape analysis. It also supports two-way audio, allowing you to hear and speak through the built-in mic and speaker. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, the camera enables hands-free voice control. This product includes a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Number 3. Neurio Security Camera. The Neurio B210 is a versatile indoor, outdoor wireless security camera designed for easy, cordless installation with its magnetic mount that attaches to metal surfaces or uses the included screw bracket. It connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and is controlled through the Neurio app. The camera offers crisp 2K QHD resolution with full-color night vision, ensuring clear, detailed footage even in low light. Equipped with advanced AI detection and a PIR motion sensor, it reduces false alerts by intelligently detecting relevant motion, with customizable detection zones for precise monitoring. The built-in rechargeable battery supports up to 180 days of operation, and it's compatible with solar panels, sold separately, for continuous power. With 16 GB of local storage and no monthly fees, you can save up to 6,000 video clips and easily access them via the app. The camera also features two-way talk, allowing remote communication through its microphone and speaker, and supports Alexa voice control. Family members can share access to the camera, enhancing security for your home. Neurio backs this product with lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee for peace of mind. Number 4. Topo TP-Link Security Camera. The Topo Pan Tilt Camera is an indoor security camera offering crystal clear 2K, 2304 by 1296, high-definition video, perfect for capturing every detail inside your home. It connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and features a wide pan and tilt range, covering 360 degrees horizontally and 114 degrees vertically to monitor an entire room or hallway. You can securely save footage locally on a microSD card up to 512 GB, not included, or opt for Topo Care Cloud Storage, which provides 30-day video history along with advanced features like motion tracking and baby crying detection. The camera sends instant push notifications for motion, person, or baby crying detection, helping you distinguish important alerts from everyday activity. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, it allows hands-free live streaming on devices like Echo Show or Google Chromecast. The built-in two-way audio and siren let you communicate remotely or ward off intruders, while the night vision system provides clear images up to 30 feet in the dark. Device sharing allows multiple users to monitor the feed simultaneously, making it easier for families to keep an eye on loved ones and home security. Number 5. Eufy E221 Security Cam. The Eufy Security Floodlight Camera 2K is a wired security camera designed to keep your home safe with clear, high-quality video. It live streams and records in full 2K HD resolution, allowing you to see exactly who's there with crisp clarity. Equipped with super bright, 2500 lumen motion-activated floodlights, it turns night into day by providing full-color recordings even in low light. The camera features a smart siren that can be triggered to emit a loud alarm, effectively scaring off unwanted visitors. With intelligent AI detection, it reduces false alerts by distinguishing people from objects, ensuring you receive only important notifications. Designed with no hidden costs, this system is a one-time purchase for reliable home security and is compatible with Homebase 3 for easy integration.